finding ways to save their hard-earned money. I know me and my family are always looking for fun ways to save. So I'm going to show you a fun, easy way to save you some money by making baby wipes from home. They are a must, whether you are a mother that uses them on her baby or a college student like me that uses them for just about anything they can be used for. Best part about making homemade baby wipes is it is easy, fun, cheap, and most everything needed is right there at your home. To get started, you will need boiled, filtered, or distilled water, baby oil, baby wash, 1 roll of paper towels, a container for the wipes, a sharp knife, a bowl, and a mixing spoon. If you are using boiled water instead of filtered or distilled water, I would go ahead and get that started. You will boil the water for 2 minutes and then let it cool. Before you start mixing up your ingredients, you should go ahead and take the knife and cut your paper towels in half, widthwise. You only need 1/2 of the paper towels. If you are using an old wipe case or Ziploc baggies, I would go ahead and fan fold the half you are using, making it narrow enough to fit in the wipe case if that is your container of choice. Then you discard the cardboard. If your container of choice is a tall cylinder one, then it is not necessary to fan fold the paper towels. Now mixing. You will take 1½ cup of water, 2 tablespoons of baby oil, and 2 tablespoons of baby wash. You will pour all of that into the bowl and stir until the ingredients are mixed. You will then take the paper towels and place them in the container you have chosen. And then you will pour the ingredients over the paper towels in the container, letting them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. If the paper towels near the top are still dry, flip the paper towels over and let them soak for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. If you use the tall cylinder container, this is when you will discard the cardboard. It should be easy because the cardboard will come right apart. Finally, you will pull the wipes through the lid like this, from the cylinder container. Instead of an old wipe case, you will cut an X in the lid to be able to pull the wipe through. You should just use 1 wipe at a time, and it should feed through the lid on their own as you pull on them. But if they don't, you can try by feeding through the X again. Always keep lid on the wipes at all times when not in use. If your wipe case does not have an additional lid, then you can cover the X with a piece of tape. If your wipes start to dry, you can boil a little bit of water for 2 minutes. The amount of water depends on how many wipes are left, so just use your best judgment. Make sure to cool water to room temperature and pour water over wipes. You need to use the wipes within 3 to 4 months, but if the wipes do become moldy before they are used, always toss them out. And that is how easy it is to make homemade baby wipes. On top of saving tons of money, homemade baby wipes are a way to know exactly what is being used on your baby. Don't stop.